Having worked in DVLA for 27 years, when I finished, it wasn't through choice I finished, and I wanted to get back into work. I realised that I didn't even know how to write a CV. So I decided, having made the step to come back into NSA Strides, I didn't need the business admin qualification. It was just about interacting again.
NSA itself started about 14 years ago now. It's a community regeneration project. It works with the community not only to help them to overcome their barriers and get themselves ready for the job market, but it helps with confidence issues and just helps people get back on their feet.
Having a high-powered job in the DVLA meant nothing to me at the time. It was only when I left and went from the sky to the ground in such one big fall that it really knocked me. And to go back into learning, for me, it was a sense of achievement that yes, I could put my life back together again and go in a different direction and make a success of it.
She's overcome such a lot and she's still actually battling. She's now managing Strides and it's just fantastic.
It is rewarding seeing people come through Strides the way I did, and seeing them go into employment or go into further learning, or even just not make it from A to Z into employment, just from A to S, just progress along that way. It's really rewarding.
I got to be honest, from the start, I've got Louise on this pedestal and she's my inspiration. She's just fantastic, really.
I'm absolutely delighted. My family's delighted. I have 2 sons, 2 daughters. Everybody is so pleased for me, as well as NSA management. So.